Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're making Andoran Oatmeal Cookies. I keep saying Andorian, it's not that. We need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated white sugar, I just used caster, 1 cup of lightly packed dark or light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 cups of rolled oats and ½ cup of raisins or currants. You'll also need 1 cup of what they've listed as shortening. This is just sort of a loose term for a solid fat, so like butter or lard. I use butter in mine because I just thought lard might not be very nice in cookies. So once this has all come together, I did have to add a bit of water to mine, so you'll notice in a bit me taking the bowl away. I'm just adding a splash at a time because you don't want it too wet. I would say you probably want it to come together about 3/4 and then mix the rest by hand, and then you kind of know what consistency your mix is. This will be going in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think was about 175 degrees Celsius. It's adamant in the book that it should only be 7 or 8 minutes. However, mine was in for about 12 to 15. I don't know if maybe I just made mine too thick. Obviously, this recipe made about 30 cookies. If you wanted less, obviously you can either half it or you can freeze your mixture. It's up to you. Let me know what you think if you try these and what else you want to try next. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.